quick live, baby. All right, hold on, y'all. Let's turn that on. All right, we got that on. Actually, I want to change the name to Dogelon. Coins are pumping, baby. Y'all let me know what meme coins y'all got right now that's pumping. If you already here on the live, y'all let me know what meme coins y'all got right now. And hit that like button when you hop in. When you hop in, hit that like button. Like and subscribe. We live on a Thirsty Thursday. Everything pumping today. You already know how it go. Everything pumping today. Give us, please. He said, give us 100. I got a couple gems, man. I got a couple gems. Hold on, let me fix this. I got you, Brody. You know I got you. How your day going? How your day going? I'm actually working right now, man. I was actually doing a couple trading. I was doing a couple trading, man. We're gonna talk about it. But first, we got to get into the blue chips because we seeing a lot of meme coins literally go crazy, family. We're seeing a lot of meme coins go crazy, and most of them are over this 200-day moving average, which is extremely bullish. As you can see here from Dogelon Mars, man, up 8%. And I found that tweet too, Deshaun. I found that tweet, man. I found that tweet. I know you was asking me, I found that tweet, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be going crazy in the comments. You know what I'm saying? I'm human, man. I make mistakes. Bear with me. I'm human. I do make mistakes, but I did find that tweet. Hold on, let me get it to this is the tweet right here. See if I can find it. It was on CoinMarketCap. Oh, here it go. When you come in the building, make sure you share. He said $100 put into Dogelon now will be worth $30,000 at Sheeb's all-time high market cap. So that was the tweet. I mean, it wasn't even a tweet. It was on it was a comment here on CoinMarketCap. So yeah, I was looking for this on my slideshow, but the reason that I skipped over it, family, is because I thought it was a tweet, and this is actually the comment that I seen. So it said if you put $100 into Dogelon, now this was hours ago, all right. Well, this was January 27th, all right. So this was a couple days ago. But he said if you put $100 into Dogelon now, it would be worth $30,000 at Sheeb's all-time high. So that's actually what I was referring to in the last video. But we're gonna go to coin perspective. We're gonna go to all that, man. We're gonna cover it all. Wait until a few more people get up in here, and I want to let people know I am live on Twitter. All right, y'all be on y'all boy head. But meme coins are definitely pumping, man. Look at here. I'm learning that this 200-day moving average, man, it really is an important moving average, man. Every time we get under it, what I've learned, family, is that when we get under the 200-day, it's very bearish, but it's the best opportunity to accumulate. You feel me? And we were under that. We were under it for a while. If you zoom out, you know what I'm saying? If you zoom out, see, we were under it. We bounced over it a couple times when we had those relief rallies, and that's why I feel like this could potentially be a bull run, because when we had the relief rally, you see, we went above the 200-day moving average. We retested it, but then dumped right below. You feel me? Went above it, retested it, dumped right below. But lately, family, we've been retesting it and using the 200-day as support. So this is extremely bullish. This is extremely bullish. This could be the start of a bull run. When in doubt, zoom out. I like to zoom out, and you can see that we're almost at that point where we completely broke the downtrend here. Now, if I draw a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom here, family, you can see that we are still in that accumulation stage. So anything under 6071, you still got an opportunity before we officially get bullish. But it looks like Elon actually wants to put in a mean double bottom here. That's what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like, family. Let's get into some of these comments. Cooking, what it do? Chill, what's popping? What's popping, my boy? Chill. Hey, you, what it do? Turn up. When you hop in here, hit that like button, man. Hit that like button. We got the whales in the building. We got Elon. We got Methuselah Foundation tweeting about Coinbase, tweeting about Robinhood. Soon they gonna be tweeting about Weeble. We got a lot of bullish activity, man. And Fed J Powell, he gave us the green light. He gave us the green light after the extremely dovish FOMC meeting that we had yesterday. So a lot of positive news going on. A lot of positive news. Let me know if you still here, man. If you still here, because I know a lot of people, what happened to all the people that was calling Elon a scam? They were saying Methuselah Foundation was buying shit coins. Like, what happened to all those people? Y'all got to come back now. Y'all got to come back. Y'all got to apologize, right? This is what y'all got to do. Y'all got to come back. Y'all need to apologize, right? And you need to give Methuselah Foundation they flowers. That's what y'all need to do. Because everything that they said that they were going to do, they lived up to their word, man. You gotta respect that. You gotta respect a person that you know what I'm saying, that your word is everything. So you gotta definitely respect that. 16 people in here. Make sure y'all hit that like. We turning up today, man. We turning up. We going live today. It's a little sulky outside over here where I'm at. So I decided to do a live stream, man. But y'all got to totally support it, man. Make sure y'all support it. Hit that like button. Let me know in the comments, man, what meme coins that you're looking at. You can see here, Elon literally is running. And shout out to the people that was in the comments. It was like, Millie, Elon got listed on a Coinbase wallet. I was not aware of that. I thought Coinbase was just tracking Elon, just like Binance and all the rest of the exchanges. But I didn't know that we officially was on the Coinbase wallet. So that's a lot of positive news. But you can see here, man, 381 up 9% on the day, market cap about $200 million, and the circulating supply is still 55% of the max supply. But what happened to all those people, man? What happened to all of those people? Y'all know what happened to them? Let me tell you what happened to them. This is what they do when everything, this is what I've learned in the crypto winter. When everything turns bearish, this is what they do. They say everything is a scam. They say everything is a scam. They be like, that's a scam. This is a scam, right? Because guess what? They got bearish momentum. They got the media coming out here with all the negativity. Now that everything is picking back up, people deleting their Twitter accounts. Did you see that guy that says sell everything and then he deleted his whole Twitter account? That's what's happening. That's what's happening. You're seeing Amazon making moves into the crypto market, metaverse. You're seeing BlackRock making moves into the crypto space. You see it so much huge entities, man, entities that run the world. Think about Hedera Hashgraph and the governing council and the fact that they have Google, IBM, Boeing. They have all these multi-billion and in some cases trillion-dollar companies sitting at the council. And what's up with the Quant and XRP beef? I gotta talk about that, man. Every time I do a Quant video, we got the XRP people coming in the comments, turning up. What's up with y'all, XRP? Y'all got something against Quant? I never compared Quant to XRP as far as utility and use case. I feel like those projects are totally different. You feel me? I just feel like Quant has a high chance of getting, to that level of maybe a light Bitcoin, only because of the goated tokenomics. But XRP people, I got love for y'all too, man. I got love for the whole ISO 222 gang. You feel me? Any project that's working on being compliant, regulated, I got love for. You know what I'm saying? I got love for all that. What y'all looking for? What y'all looking at? Sheeb turning up too? Hold on, let me go check out Sheeb. It's gonna be pretty much a random live, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no extreme news for y'all, you know what I'm saying? We ain't really got no news. I'm just trying to enjoy the pump with some crypto people. You know what I'm saying? And it's good to hang around people that's on the same mentality as you. You know what I'm saying? We here, you know what I'm saying? Great minds think alike. But I needed that good crypto energy from the family here. So yeah, up 12% on the day, man. We can see all the meme coins doing gold. Let's go to Vote. Vote up 11% on the day. Positive, man. Shout out to the Vote community. Always supportive. Vote up 11% on the day. And let's go to, I seen Baby Doge doing this thing. Shout out to Baby Doge. I know we got a few Baby Doge people in the chat. Let's go to Baby Doge. I know y'all want me to go to those 100x gems. I'll get to them in a second. You feel me? I got my whole screen here pulled up of things that I've been looking at. Baby Doge up 19%. Shout out to the people that held Baby Doge, man. All the dog coins. I said yesterday, and I should have. I need to change. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let's go to Z here. Hold on, y'all. I need to change something. I need to change the thumbnail here. Elon going crazy. You already know Khalil. Elon is going crazy. Shout out to my boy Khalil. My man, what would be the best 3 hidden gems you could pick? Still very low cap. Ayub, I'm about to get to all of that. Give me a second. Let me change the thumbnail here on this video, because J Powell let the dogs loose, man. Let's change this. Customization. Can I change the here we go. Edit, change. J Powell let the dogs loose. Y'all hold on, I'm looking for it. Y'all bear with me. Here we go. We're gonna change it to that one just because we got all the Dogelon Mars people in here. We gotta show love to the Elon people. Definitely. So yeah, we're gonna get into some hidden gems. Actually, we're gonna get into that right now. Let me see what I've been looking at on my screen here, y'all. Let's go to this screen here. All right, let's go to L. Okay, y'all. So what have I been looking at? Y'all know I've been real heavy on Check Dot. You feel me? Check Dot sitting at about $100,000 market cap. That's one of the ones I have on my screen. And shout out to my boy B Roots, because I learned something new from watching his stream, which made a lot of perfect sense. I'm not going to bring it on the channel just yet, because I want to do a little bit more studying. I've been doing a lot of studying with like trading, technical analysis and things like that. But if you're into that artificial intelligence narrative, I feel like Check Dot could definitely be one of those projects that has a lot of potential. This thing went all the way up to like 10-12 cents at one time, and then it went all the way back down to 5 cents. So it's very volatile, but a lot of people who got in, they've made profits. You can see here that it's the max supply sitting at 10 million. So in the circulating supply is 77% of 10 million. So definitely a project that I've been looking at. Full transparency, I'm actually invested into this project. Market cap a little different on coin market cap here, sitting at about 548,000, and not that much dilution here with the fully diluted market cap. So this is one of the ones that I had on my Patreon. I put that on the Patreon. Y'all got to get into the Patreon, man. If you got into the Patreon, you probably seen this right here, which is Baby Aptos. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm up right now on Baby Aptos. $61,000 market cap. Very volatile. Again, you can't even find this on Coin Market Cap or CoinGecko, because some of these projects I'm buying straight off narratives. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I didn't do any type of utility for this specific project. I bought this just off the narrative of Aptos running and Baby Aptos. You know what I'm saying? If you've noticed, you got the dog coins, then you got the girl dog coins, the female dog coins, then you got the baby this, the baby that. So this was a specific high risk play based off Aptos. But these guys are working on a lot of stuff. So if we swing over here to the website here, let's go to the website. You can see here that they got a swap that they're working on. So they actually are building. Again, this is a swing trade for me, so I'm taking advantage of the bull cycle. I'm taking advantage of the bull market. My boy Vision say it all the time, man. If you had $1,000 into pancake swap, you feel me, you probably turned it into $100,000 easily. So these are just a couple plays that I have on my super degen list. Has nothing to do with my hodl bag, has nothing to do with my portfolio as far as my blue chip portfolio. These are specific degen plays that I'm taking advantage of the bullish momentum. I know so many people get wrapped up into crypto and think they gotta hold projects until they turn 969 years, and that is not the case. You feel me? You can take advantage of the bullish momentum. Again, you see here, if you've heard about the Alvi chain, it's one of the most fastest chains. Another small cap project that's actually growing pretty fast, and it's called Alvi. Y'all already know Katana Inu. I've brought this on the channel because I'm extremely confident, or this is one of those projects right here that I personally feel like is going to easily hit a 10 million, 20 million, $100 million market cap if they execute with bringing the game to life. So another super degen play here that's on my super degen list. You can see I got into this around here. So if you was part of the Patreon, when I put out the notification, you know, you've been seeing nothing but gains. And this is on the daily chart. This thing has been running for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, almost 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks before we've seen some pullback. If this red candle here does not engulf this green candle here, I'm going to sit pat. I'm still working to determine if this is going to be a long-term trade for me, because it is just one game. I'm always fully transparent with you guys, and the total liquidity is sitting at $1 million. But I think this thing can hit $100 million, $200 million as far as the gaming narrative, as far as the gaming crypto project. If you've been following me, you've been following the channel, then you know that this project here has a pretty clean game as far as visuals. So I'm taking advantage of the bullish momentum. That doesn't mean I plan on holding any of these projects that I'm showing you guys for long term. This is me just taking advantage of the bullish momentum here. So yeah, this is one of those games I've been in this project for at least 2 to 3 weeks now, and I've been seeing nothing for gains. This is one of those ones where I did clean research, and I want to be clear with you guys. I don't get sent no tokens. People don't reach out to me and say, hey, Millie, talk about something. This is specifically off research that I'm doing, taking out of my time to do this research and put my personal bag up to show you guys some of the things that could possibly blow up in the future. But again, I'm gonna say this once again, I am not sure if I'm gonna add this to my hodl bag. 2 different portfolios. All right, let's get to some of these comments. Oh man, you are now witnessing the beginning of the bull market. Elon will never return to its current price, all the way up at this point. Let's go. Did you see Shiba AI last day of the pre-sale? Nah, Mr. NC, I didn't see that. I gotta check that out. I definitely gotta check that out. Shiba AI looks amazing game wise. I gotta check Shiba AI. People been putting that on my table, but I haven't yet looked at it. But yeah, those are some of the things that I'm looking at, y'all. And of course, we do got our blue chip projects like our Hedera's, stuff like Dogelon Mars, stuff like, what else I got in my hodl bag? Actually, I want to bring y'all a few other projects that I've been looking at. So, Tonic, that's actually it's funny story about Tonic. So I was swing trading Tonic, but I've now recently moved it to my hodl bag as it has shown the support at 602. So a lot of times with Tonic, it'll go up and then it'll drop back down. But even in the midst of this whirlwind volatility that we've seen throughout the week, we're actually getting a full support for Tectonic. And one of the main things that I've figured out about Tectonic and the Tectonic community, that people are extremely interested in staking that token, which is positive for long-term growth, man. If you're willing to put away your tokens or coins for, in some cases, 4 years, that shows long-term conviction. And we're starting to see with the Tectonic project that a lot of people in the community are buying in long-term. When, you know, a few months ago, this is one of those projects where people buy in, they take profits. People buy in, they take profits. People buy in, and they take profits. But now it's actually flipping, and we're actually seeing a lot of people start to buy in long term. And that's what you want to see from a project that's sitting at around a 30 million market cap, because we're talking about Tectonic eventually competing with something like Aave, competing with something like Compound. You know what I mean? Just comparing it to other lending protocols, it has a long way to go. But if it completes those levels of growth, then you're talking about these 4-year vaults being an extreme amount of passive income. And that's what I like to see, man. I like to see people earning passive income through crypto. That's what it's about. You can see Tectonic here did turn green. Soon as Millie talk about it, man, it turned green. That's how it worked. But coin market cap, y'all gotta get y'all act together, man. Y'all can't never get market caps and self-reported circulating supplies together. Y'all gotta get that together, because if you don't got this correct, and a lot of people come into coin market cap, you can scare a person away. It's kind of like when they put those brands over top of Tectonic or any other token. It's like you can scare people away. You already got the shield artists in the comments here, man. You know what I'm saying? Going crazy, either saying they're bullish or bearish. So I always say, do your own research. You know what I'm saying? Don't listen to me. Don't listen to any other YouTuber. I personally go out there and do my own research. I have people I like listening to, but I like to go out there and do my own research, family. So definitely just keep that in mind. Get into some of these comments here. I hope Titano comes back to 15 to 21 cents. I'll be rich, so cheap now. I have been accumulating for 5 years, always been long term for me. Just started following you. Hey, appreciate that, man. BBR sales, I appreciate that, man. And then I don't know why you retracted the message. I was trying to read it and then you retracted it, but yeah, I definitely appreciate that. So what y'all think, man? Are we in a bull run? Officially, are we in a bull run? Actually, let's check it out. So you can see here, we are at a pivotal point, family, on the DXY. So you know what we call the DXY? We call it the inverted Bitcoin chart, or you can even use tether dominance for that. But we're at a pivotal point, and that pivotal point is this 100-day SMA. Last time we went under this 100-day SMA, we were under it for 445 days. So that is the argument, family, that we could possibly be in a bull run. But this is the thing, when you see these patterns playing out, you want to make sure that you get the retest. So what I'm looking for, if we do go under, I'm looking for a retest of the 100-day, and if we bounce off it as resistance and continue to capitulate to the downside, that's my confirmation that we're in a bull cycle. But I haven't totally gotten the confirmation yet, because we're just hanging around that 100-day moving average, which is this line here. Let me move this out the way for you guys, which is this line here. And we're just, as you see, we're right there. We're right there. So you see how we went under it, right? We went under it, but then we went back above it. So that was a retest. So right now that DXY wants to be a little, it wants to be a little stubborn, spoiled brat. DXY wants to be a little stubborn, spoiled brat right now. So we haven't totally got that confirmation that we are in the bull cycle. Now let's have a look at the Bitcoin and Ethereum here. So Bitcoin has crossed 24,000. That is extremely bullish, man. That is extremely bullish. All we need is 25K, and that's gonna set us loose. We keep getting rejected here at 24, but if we get to 25, that's gonna set us loose. What y'all think, man? Y'all think we can get to something like 30K, 40K in the next couple months? A lot of people are now saying we can get to 50K by March. I seen Moon Car up here doing a video where he said, man, we gonna get to 50,000 by March. Crazy how the tides turn, man. I love to see it. I love to see it. I love to see it, because this, family, is how generational wealth is built. You know, a lot of people, and guess what? They was laughing at us, right? They was laughing at us. Oh, man, you talk crypto. Oh, man, you buy crypto. They laughing at us, right? Oh, man, it's nothing, right? And now everybody talking about Bitcoin potentially going to 100,000 in the next cycle. $1 million. We got Kathy Wood coming up here saying, hey, Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million. We got people calling Ethereum flipping Bitcoin. XRP going to 50,000. You know what I'm saying? Now everybody, you're seeing the bullish momentum. Now all we need is the price action to follow. Once we get the price action, it's a wrap. It's literally a wrap. Ethereum definitely has been strong though, man. Ethereum has been strong, man. I'm that's one of them projects that I got high conviction and high praise to, man. Ethereum, because this is what I've noticed. Despite the Ethereum gas fees, right? People still use Ethereum. They don't care. You know what I'm saying? They like, look, man, I got to trade on Ethereum. I don't care. So Ethereum is like the web. It's like Google. Everybody wants to use Ethereum. Everybody wants to use Ethereum. This is one of those projects I feel like definitely is a must-have. Even just a little petite. Now, Ethereum has its issues. So I want to bring another project to you guys that I have been doing some research on that I think could possibly be huge as we enter the next bull cycle. And you can see it is up 22% on the day. And family, that project is Metis DAO. So if you don't know what Metis DAO is, it is a layer 2 that allegedly said they have proved that they've solved the problem of the blockchain dilemma. That's what Metis DAO says to have proved. You can see here the circulating supply is $4 million of 10 million. I think we found a gem here, family. The market cap is only 177,000. All right, and this is a layer 2 project right now that not a lot of people are talking about, but a lot of people are extremely bullish. I'm gonna tell you 2 projects that nobody is really talking about, but the industry family is bullish on, and that's Metis DAO and Injective. Metis DAO and Injective. Those 2 projects. You won't see your famous YouTubers talking about it, but the industry, the people that's connected in this space, extremely bullish on these 2 projects. And you gotta understand what Metis DAO is. Unlike a lot of layer 2s, it has much better tokenomics, way better tokenomics than Polygon, way better tokenomics than Optimism, way better tokenomics than all that. We can see a $5,000 to $10,000 token as far as Metis DAO. When in doubt, zoom out. You can see that the all-time high here was about let's get the peak here, $314. Right now it's sitting at $40 and it's up 20%, and it's on fire as far as narrative. The layer 2 narrative right now is on fire. If you ever tried to do anything on Ethereum, if you're a super degen like me and you trying to make super degen plays and you trying to move money around on Ethereum, it's extremely expensive. So you're seeing layer 2s like Metis DAO, Optimism, Polygon really being utilized. Use case, family, being utilized. Also, that's why a lot of people are bullish on Shibarium, because it's also one of those projects that's trying to it's trying to fix the whole dilemma that's with Ethereum, which is slow transaction speeds and high transaction fees. I'm bullish on Metis DAO. We can check a look at the website here. You can see Metis DAO, man. Ethereum smart layer 2 solving the blockchain trilemma without trade-offs. You know, security, scalability, decentralization. Another one that I'm also bullish on is Scale Network, which is they'll always have 0 fees. I think there's the only layer 2 that you'll never have a fee with. So if you know about Scale Network, also let me know in the comments what y'all think about that one. But I'm bullish on Metis because I love the tokenomics. I like tokens like Quant. I like tokens like Bitcoin. I like tokens like Metis DAO here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all bringing the super degen out of me. All right. So do your research. That's the homework I'm giving to you, family, today. Do your research, because a lot of these narratives about to pop off, and you don't want to miss out on a bag not understanding what narratives are popping off. Layer 2 narratives are going to pop off. Ethereum is about to be huge, but they have not ushered in ZK rollups. They have not ushered in the other upgrades, excuse me, that the Ethereum 2.0 is supposed to bring. So Metis DAO, Polygon, Optimism, Scale Network, these are layer 2s that's taking advantage of them, and you can go look them up yourself. All of them are pumping right now. All right, I'm gonna give y'all another sleeper. See if I can find it. Let me give y'all another sleeper, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell when you come in here, man. Like and subscribe. Let me give y'all another sleeper. All right, Alchemix. So if you're a fan of Tectonic, family, and you want to hedge against Tectonic, let's say you got a lot of money in Tectonic, and you like, you know what, I want to hedge against Tectonic with another lending protocol. This is one of the ones, full transparency, I am invested in. None of this is sponsored content, okay? Now this is high risk because people have to actually use this project here. Okay, Alchemix self-repaying loans allow you to leverage a range of tokens without risk of liquidation. So go do your research on it. Self-explanatory. Also, family, this project is listed on crypto.com, so I expect a lot of volume once the whales figure it up. You're actually seeing the volume of what, 10 million of 37 million. That's a lot of volume. The whales are starting to figure this project out, and you can see it's starting to run now. You like, Millie, $21? What you so excited about it? Well, family, you can see here the max supply is about 1.9 million tokens. So very, very rare supply. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for projects with great utility. And the one thing about this project that they need more is they need more marketing, and we need more from the community. We need more of a community fan base. But I'm extremely bullish on this, okay? 2 million max supply. The market cap is 37 million. The fully diluted market cap is 41 million. All right, so that right there is not a lot of dilution. Okay, now when in doubt, zoom out. Hear me out. You can see here, to some people, this looks like a flat line. This looks like, oh, it's a scam. It looks like this. It's like that's the people that don't know nothing about crypto. Don't listen to those people. Please do not listen to those people. This right here, this is accumulation, family. This is accumulation. All right. Now, might it not come back? Okay, it might not come back. We get it. All right, you hold on to what you hold on. I'm gonna hold on to what I hold on. You do you, I'm gonna do me. But there are people on this project that's interested in making bags, that actually want to see substantial amount. Everybody don't got 10,000 to put into the market. Everybody don't got 20 grand to put into the market. So you got to be very, very precise with your plays, and you want your plays to give you the most potential. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm bringing on this channel are plays that's going to give you the most potential. Now, $21 here. You can see that the all-time high, family, is about $2,000 per token. The all-time high for this project is $2,000. Right now it's sitting at $21 per token. It's up 8% on the day, so it's alive. It's alive. All right, I probably got into this around 16, 17 bucks. Bought a lot of these. Bought a lot of these. Why would you not? Why would you not? It's like, you know, going into the Nike store, and normally the Jordans would cost $250, but you're getting Jordans for $7, but they're real Jordans. You know what I'm saying? Why would I not? Why would I not? So again, put this on your watch list. Go do your homework. I'm not going to break everything down for you. 26,000 people on the watch list. We want to see more people. And let's make sure they active on Twitter, because I think I did show y'all this in the video. But since I'm live, I want to make sure, you know, 73,000 followers. Lots of followers. They made, the last post they made was 3 hours ago. So these guys are extremely active on Twitter. This is one of my top value plays right here. And it's listed on an exchange. You can see centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. So this is one of my top value plays right here. Let me get into some of the comments for the family. All right, let's get to some of them. Everything is perfect now. Yeah, shout out to my boy Everything. All right, I gotta go all the way up. So, all right, Mr. NC say I stake my VVS in Tonic, and this is the Martian Drip website, y'all. Go show some love, man. We got phone cases, we got I'm rocking the t-shirt. So that you see it's on the website. This t-shirt right here, if you want to get this Dogelon Mars t-shirt, it is on the website. So your t-shirts do get sent out. You feel me? Everything I do is official, like a referee with a whistle. This is no cap. You get your t-shirts, you know what I'm saying? I don't do no scams. I got a legit small business where I promote all-purpose cleaning degreaser. A lot of people know me from my door-to-door videos, and I'm a door-to-door entrepreneur. So everything I do is official. Show some love to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Show some love to the channel, man. Support the content creators, because the YouTube algorithms, man, they don't show me, love. I be really, I be wanting to slap up the YouTube algorithms, man. I think it's the shades. I don't know. All right, but BBR Sales says, new follower. Thanks for the detailed videos. I've been accumulating for 5 years and always been a long-term investor. Yes, sir. And C says, getting start for a Super Bull. She's a Super Bull. She's super freaky. We got my boy rapping it here. December was the bottom of all markets, in my opinion. Bullish as fuck. Crypto for life. Let's go. 24,006 next resistance. All right, we got a trader up in here. That's what I like to see, somebody that understand technical analysis. NFT Tigers, what's up? It's amazing. Yes, sir. Hey, you, what market cap you think Elon could get to? You know, a 10x from here is already 2.1 billion. I think this is a 10x max from here. What do you think? 40x, 50x AU. 40x, 50x, easily 40x, 50x. I've called it my sell price. My sell price is 40 billion, 4086. 4086. And Deshaun McGee, man, you jumped in my comments talking about how people don't understand the market caps. I understand the market caps just fine, brother. I've done plenty of videos. Now, I do mess up, ain't nobody perfect, but you my guy, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want nobody to get misunderstood on when I said delete 3 zeros. That was my mistake, because I didn't bring the official message up on the channel. I was trying to freestyle it and couldn't find the message, but then I found the message and I've completely butchered it. So that was my fault. You feel me? My fault. But AU 4086, a $40 billion market cap. That's what I'm looking at. Mayor multiple chart shows 55K this summer on it. Man, I'm seeing a lot of people pulling up that chart, Mr. NC. They're saying 50K by March, June. That's insane. Meyer has 321,000 in 2020. That's insane. As the market is pumping, I'm sure it will grow up. It will grow up, future. Are you calling me future, or are you just being funny? Check out, there's a site, Mayor Multiple. The rain bull run began in January 23rd and will peak in 2025. Uh-oh. We got people saying it's a bull run. NFT Tigers, Bitcoin will cross 40 grand at the end of this year. Yes, that's what I'm saying. 35 grand. I've said, I believe it tops out around 35, 45 grand going into the halving cycle. That's always been my call. Sheeb got layer 2 coming. Yes, shout out to my boy Everything Altcoin. Y'all make sure y'all go show some love to my boy. He goes live. The name speaks for itself. Everything Altcoin. Mr. NC, Doge Chain and Post Doge supposed to be good. Yeah, I'm very interested in Doge Chain. Extremely interested in Doge Chain. ICP could run cheap at $6. Was a couple hundred a while back. Well, Mr. NC, this is what I'm looking at. I know a lot of people are bullish on ICP because they don't have to use smart contracts. I just found that out. That's crazy. That's crazy. Like, I got to do more research on ICP. But do not sleep right here. Do not sleep right here on this interoperability project by the name of ICX. Icon, okay, it's called Icon, and I made a video saying if you miss quant, check out Icon. All right, now you can see that the circulating supply is 946 million of 952. The market cap is 213 million of a fully diluted, which is 216 million. So not that much dilution. And family, I truly believe not a lot of people have caught on to Icon ICX just yet. But if quant heats up like I expect it to, you're going to see projects like Chainlink, ICX, and I believe it's another interoperability project. I can't think of it it's at the tip of my tongue. But this project I'm extremely bullish on. Full transparency, I am invested. I don't think it truly had its run yet. I personally don't think it truly had its run. You can see that the all-time high is almost like $11, $12, $13. Yeah, $11. sitting at 22 cents right now. So a lot of potential with this project. And this is what you want to find. You want to find projects with great utility that have yet to run. And that's what I'm doing, man. We sniping today. Hit the like and subscribe, man, if you're getting some value from this video. So connecting blockchains and communities. And when you go to the Patreon, man, right, you'll see if I call out a project and I'm not feeling it, I'll let y'all know in the Patreon. Like, I'm fading that project. I'm done with it. Like, I faded a couple projects already in my Patreon. So if I do some research and I put it on my watch list and it don't pan out like I expect, I'll let y'all know on the Patreon I'm fading it. And like I said, man, right now the most popular has been the star. Everybody wants to be a star, but you know, you can hop in and be a rookie. But if you're really trying to get that knowledge one-on-ones with me, just go hit up the GOAT Patreon. It's only $14.99 a month. I think it's a great deal if you're not a person that can sit at the computer and do a lot of research, but you always looking for small cap gens, degen plays. That's what I do in my spare time when I'm not working. You feel me? I like to find stuff to do where I don't have to continuously look at my portfolio, my blue chip, my HODL portfolio. So I found a love with swing trading. And since, you know, we're swing trading, I look for small caps, micro caps, super degen plays. And I don't really talk about them on the channel because the algorithms doesn't really show any love. So what we've done is we've brought them to the Patreon, right? And I don't really use the Discord. So I know I've been seeing people joining Discord. I don't really use my Discord because I'm doing so much other stuff. And I feel like you'll get more value with the Patreon opposed to the Discord because I'm actually locked in to the Patreon. In fact, I've been thinking like to have some people go into Discord and kind of like run it for me because I'm not in the Discord enough to give y'all that value, you know what I'm saying, that I want to give y'all. But I'm constantly working on the Patreon here. So if that's something that you're interested in, excuse me, you know what I'm saying, don't be shy, show some love. Let's get us some more of these comments here. View Obi, what it do? Wayne Reynolds, you a DJ like me, man. What you know about Hyperchain, man? You know what I'm saying? We made bags off Hyperchain. I sold too early. So this, look, let me tell y'all a little story about Hyperchain. So I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. Y'all know I gotta keep it real on here. You know what I'm saying? So I was invested into Hyperchain. Let me go to all. So I invested into Hyperchain somewhere like around here. It was like 308. It went up because I was pulling a move and I sold it. I sold it right there. And then it just shot up 200%. I was hurt, but that's part of the game. That's what happens. You feel me? And I like to just keep it all the way full transparent. So if you're looking at something like Hyperchain, just wait for it to pull back. Oh, this is actually a perfect example to share with you guys what I learned today. And I've been actually looking at a lot of projects and they all do the same thing. So let's swing over here to Dex Tools. Shout out to the Vote. Y'all see I got Vote on my Dex Tools, man. Shout out to Vote. You know, what's this on the daily? Vote just putting in a mean descending wedge. Like this pattern here. When Vote breaks out this pattern, it's going to make a mean move to the upside. Like when you see patterns like this, family, a lot of people think they're bearish. Yeah, they're bearish in the short term, but very, very bullish in the midterm and long term. But let me get to what I was saying. So actually, I guess I can use Vote for example. So what I learned today from trading, and shout out to my boy B Roots. I always show love, man. Shout out to my boy B Roots. When he said, looking at their daily chart, you can pretty much predict when the pumps and the dumps come. So usually on these micro caps, small caps, mid caps, I'm not even gonna say large caps, and in some cases it's true for large caps because I've seen it with Bitcoin. I actually been counting this up. So I was watching his stream today and he said some killer alpha. Shout out to him, man. But he said usually when you see a project pumping for 7 days, on that 7th day it usually dumps. And this is something that all traders know. So you can see here, for instance, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this pump for 9 days. Usually with people, you can see these green candles starting to get smaller, but usually people start to look to take profits around the 7th or 8th day, and then they let it go ahead and go back down. And in some cases, you feel me, what you want to do is you want to catch the end here of the descending wedge. You know, you want to wait for these engulfing green candles, these green candles that are larger than the red candles. You feel me? So I'm expecting Volt Inu here to break out of this descending wedge pattern. It's actually been putting in a downtrend for what's this? For like almost a month now. You feel me? These downtrends be powerful, family. But when it breaks, just as powerful the downtrend is, will be just as powerful the next move to the upside, especially for a project like Volt that has a strong community, always working on new developments and always building regardless of the crypto and bear market. So that was something I learned from B Roots today for my technical analysis. I wasn't really paying attention to it at first, but then after I started looking at a lot of projects, right? I started looking at a lot of projects, and they all did the same thing. Like they'll pump for 7 to 8 days, and like on the 8th day, or they'll fake you out. They'll wait 2 days after the 7th day, dump, and do that same thing on to the downside. 10 to 14 days, go back up. So you know, it's actually a lot more easier than people think. Now that's from from daily charts, okay? You can't use these same technicals, fundamentals, should I say. You can't use these same fundamentals if you're using lower time frames. That's just something you could use on the daily chart if you're swing trading like me and you don't got the time. So I use like the hour, the 4 hour, the 12 hour, and the daily charts for my super degen plays. Alright, shout out to my boy VOB. Says I only have 1.6 billion Dogelon. NFT Tiger says, as far as my experience is concerned, project success depends on the potential long-term strategy explanation with positive attitude, and the most key factor, it should be promoted in safe hands. True NFT Tigers, that is true. You think Elon Musk would allow someone else to create a crypto with his name? I'm surely do not. Maybe one day we find out. Hey, he went on the podcast and said he had nothing to do with it, but he kind of like smirked and smiled. So, you know, it don't seem like it was something that actually bothered him. It don't seem like it bothered him at all. We have to wait and watch if we are in the crypto market. Yes, sir. Phantom is pumping now. Let's check out Phantom, family. Check out Phantom. I like Phantom, man. I think Phantom is going to be a huge project in the future. Man, I remember I originally bought in Phantom and it was like $3 and it just destroyed me. Then the guy Andre left, and man, Phantom literally destroyed me. I got wrecked with Phantom, like. But it's good to see that these guys are rebounding. Wreck. Yeah. That's what you like to see, man. These are some healthy charts, man. When you see these charts testing these previous highs right down here, man, you know what I'm saying? This is a form of accumulation, family, and it's going back up. 63 cents, man. I remember when Phantom was 19 cents. Someone told me to get into Phantom when it was 19 cents. You live and you learn. I got crucified with Phantom. I felt like I was not going to continue to hold that bag. I was waking up and it was just stressing me out. But salute to them. Salute to them. Salute to the people that held on to Phantom. Okay, I'll check it out. Thanks, ICX. Yeah, check out ICX, man. You know what I'm saying? It has the same fundamentals as something like a quant. If you're interested, family, into stuff like interoperability, projects communicating with us, blockchains communicating with each other, you know what I'm saying? And you feel like you miss quant, because so many people want quant to come back to $40. It'll probably never see $40. Never see $40. In fact, you know, shout out to the people that actually where my boy Larell at? Shout out to my boy Larell, because he was the one that put me on to quant. He told me to look into it when it was like $40. I didn't get into it till it was like $71. But he was one of those guys that told me to look into it. Okay, facts, we know he's involved. Don't sell. I will drop a gem. MTIX. I think I heard of that. Hold on, I think I heard of MTIX. Let's check it out. MTIX. IX, MTX. Yeah, I heard of that. I think I saw my boys talking about it. Crypto Archie and Crypto Seth. Shout out to Crypto Archie and Crypto Seth, man. Go check out their channels as well, man. Those guys really be, like myself, looking for small cap gems. But I definitely see MITX. I didn't want to talk about it because I seen them guys talk about it, and I didn't want to be talking about the same projects that they talking about because people think, oh no, you know what I'm saying? And that's my fam. That's my fam. I rock with them. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't want to be on here talking about the same projects. But definitely Morpheus Labs. Let me, you know what I'm saying? There's another one that we've been looking at right here. If you're into like the whole real estate thing, Labs Group, another small cap gem here. They plan on being like the real estate cryptocurrency. So very interesting project. And I think another one they've been putting everybody on was what's it, Dimitri? Yeah, Demetria. Yeah, so go follow those guys, man. Those guys have a lot of knowledge on small cap gems. You feel me? And if you catch them at the right time, I like to, you know, you got to really catch them before they actually talk about it, because by the time they talk about it, it really go crazy. I can't even cap. If you catch some of these projects before they actually reach the channel, I'm telling you, family, a lot of potential. I'm telling y'all, like my guy, he joined the Patreon right around here. Now we're seeing Katana Inu. You know, a little small dump off. Gaming tokens been pumping, so I don't really expect. I'm not really tripping on the small little sell off for Katana, because you know we got in Katana when it was down here, and it literally been on a sick run. So, you know, I'm not really tripping on Katana. This is something that I'm gonna hold on to. It, you know, I'm into anime. I love anime. I love those type of, you know, Naruto, Dragon Ball Z type of games, and this game looks like that, and it's a crypto game, so I expect a lot of people to be interested in it. I know it's one game. A lot of people, it's one game, but I think the future is bright for Katana Inu. I think the future is definitely bright for Katana Inu. Baby Dogecoin is pumping. Godly, family. All right, so let me go to VRA, because I know my boy Joshua, he been spamming all my videos saying I need to check out VRA. So we're gonna check out VRA. So VRA, family, up 8% here on the day. 206, market cap around 67 million. Fully diluted market cap 721 million. So a lot of dilution, but I think with what they're trying to build, they need a lot of money to reinvest into the project. So I expect that's why you're seeing this type of dilution from VRA. The circulating supply is 9% of the max supply, so also not good tokenomics. But a lot of people like this project. It's kind of like Jasmine. People want me to talk about Jasmine. I've never talked about Jasmine on my channel, but so many people be like, Millie, talk about Jasmine. Bring up Jasmine. Jasmine this. Millie, talk about Jasmine. I'll be like, man, let me do some research on it. So the future of esports, digital entertainment, ad tech. Now that's going to be huge. Ad tech is going to be huge. Ads on the blockchain. All right, got a pretty decent utility. We're a blockchain company looking to create entirely new experience in esports, ad tech, and digital rights management. Ad tech has a $160 billion problem with fraud. VeriViews is an end-to-end ad stack solution that combines the transparency and accountability of blockchain with the security of Veracity's patent and proof of view. They got a lot of stuff that they working on, family. Like this could be a huge project. I don't like the tokenomics. I don't like the tokenomics at all. Outside of the tokenomics, everything else seems to be pretty good. What y'all think about Veracity? VRA. A lot of people have been asking me to talk about this on the channel. I don't know what to think about it. What y'all think about it? Zen? Oh my goodness, Zen. Now, what do I think about Zen? Is that the Richard? Are you talking about the Richard Hart Zen? Man, I gotta do more research on Zen, man. So let me go to Zen here. It is Zen. I gotta do more research on Zen. I'm seeing a lot of people talk about it. It's up 8%. Yeah, they say like this project is like, so they say like they mint every day. Correct me if I'm wrong. So they supposedly mint every day, but something is supposed to happen in the next 7 to 8 years. And people buy this project to hold for 7 to 8 years, expecting some huge parabolic movement to happen in the next 7 to 8 years once they cut off the minting. I'm confused how the project works. Y'all gotta let me know how it works, because I haven't done research on it, but a lot of people been asking me about Zen, and I've been seeing it on Twitter, everybody talking about it. Then I seen the whole situation with Richard Hart on Zen, so I don't know what to think about Zen. I have no clue. Yeah, I don't know enough about Zen, man. I got to do more research, but I've been seeing people talk about it for sure. I think they got like unlimited tokens. Ain't they like minting tokens each and every day? That's crazy. I like VRA is the 1111. Are you on Twitter? Yeah, I'm on Twitter, man. Soap Guys TV Millie. I'm on Twitter right there. All you gotta do is go follow me. The GOAT. Soap Guys TV Millie right there. That's me. That's my handle. I'm the one with the computer. Alright. Did y'all see that post by Binance, BSC Jim, saying they could, looking to potentially list more meme coins? Maybe they list Elon. Maybe they list Dogelon Mars, man. You know what I'm saying? What y'all gonna do when projects like Tonic and all these projects start getting listed? Because again, we could be in a bull run, man. Every time I look at this, I'm keeping my eye on the DXY. Matter of fact, let's take a look at the Tether dominance. Let's go to Tether. Let's go to Tether dominance together. Could be in a bull run, man. Jay Powell came out there and was like, look, man, I'm tired of people asking me questions about this. Y'all seen Warren Buffett right hand man, he said that they should ban crypto. You know why he's saying that, right? I'm gonna tell y'all why he's saying that. Just in a second, after we check out the Tether dominance right here. So it did go under 6%, but right now it's at 6.4.5%. They say it's not really a bull run until we at 5% on the tether dominance. So we'll just have to see how that turns out. I also want to take a look at the fear and greed index. That's the old fear and greed index, y'all. I did not change the fear and greed index. We're gonna check out that as well. Ooh, so it's in 60. So you gotta expect people to start taking profits if Bitcoin hit 25K. I expect it to be a profit taking wall. Yes, because we are already at 60, and a lot of expert traders use this fair and greed metric as a metric to track whether they're going to sell their profits or not. And when a lot of people get into greed, that means a lot of retail traders are starting to catch FOMO. And you don't want to be caught in that whirlwind of FOMO. So a lot of people start to take profits when the fair and greed index hits greed. Now, it's crazy because last month, family, the fair and greed index was 26. Isn't that crazy? That is wild, man. That is wild. Look how fast we jump. Like, crypto move fast. You can't get these type of gains and these type of movements anywhere else, man. Anywhere else, unless you go walk into the casino or you hit a lotto ticket or something. Other than that, it's just like the lotto ticket in casino. But you gotta do your research. That's the difference. If you do correct research and you understand the game, you can make a lot of money. If you don't, then you're gonna get wrecked. I need to figure out how to do Forex. That's gonna be my new thing. I wanna learn Forex, man, because I see a lot of people getting that bag on Forex. Y'all know I'm all about learning new things and bringing value. But learning new things just to prove to myself, man, that I can sit down, do some research, study, and actually learn a new skill, a new trait, a new trade, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, fair and greed index 60. So I think if Bitcoin hit 25K, we will start to see people take profits, man. Altcoins are literally going crazy. I'm seeing so many altcoins go crazy. Let's see what on the 24 hour. So yeah, optimism, the #1 token right now in the top 100, man. That means that layer 2s are a strong narrative. I told y'all, man, this layer 2 narrative. Look at that. Loop ring, IMX. You know what I'm saying? These are SNX. We talked about these narratives, man. We talked about derivatives, swaps, decentralized derivatives, exchanges. Near protocol, that's a sleeper. Optimism been outperforming Polygonmatic. Usually they run together, but Optimism been leaving Polygonmatic in the dust. But yeah, y'all gotta pay attention to these narratives, man, because just because you see one token running on the narrative, you'll start to see more of the tokens that fit that narrative also run. I've seen that with artificial intelligence. We just seen it recently with the gaming tokens. Like literally, Gala went crazy, and Gala sent off Nakamoto Games, Illuvium, Katana Inu, Hyperchain X. All of these games, all these gaming tokens literally went parabolic last week. Literally went parabolic last week. See what Dogelon Mars doing. Yeah. So yeah, the dude, the Warren Buffett brother or whatever, his business partner, that's the guy that's hating off crypto right now. Look, he's seeing it like, you know, nobody. Look, this is the thing, man. These guys, they invest into Berkshire Hathaway, and they got these high insurance prices, man. Let me know in the comments, man, if your insurance is just too high. If you got a car insurance and you like, man, what am I paying for? You know what I'm saying? That's what they want you to buy. They want you to keep filling up their pockets, right? Buying these stupid insurances, right? Because that's how they get rich. They price these insurances out. And just think about millions and billions of people buying these insurances that are subscriptions, which means they automatically get money docked out of people's paychecks, out of people's accounts every month. So every month, you know what I'm saying? Y'all filling up their pockets. Because we all gotta have car insurance, etc., etc. We filling up their pockets literally every month, right? And they getting mad because people waking up like, man, federal hiking these rates, and insurance is skyrocketing. I need to find a hedge against this inflation, and they start buying crypto, right? And guess what? They stop buying. They stop buying all the little products that Warren Buffett and his right hand man are invested into. And guess what happened? They pockets start getting a little bit more slimmer, and now they want to come out and spread FUD, right? Because they mad that y'all not buying their products. But back in the day, right, when the dot-com bubble happened, guess what they was doing? They was doing the same thing we're doing today. Them guys was doing the same thing we're doing today, but they haters. That's just what it is. People hate off what they can't understand, and that's just how it go. People hate off what they can't understand. Now we are getting a little rejection here. We went up to 603. We got rejected right at 60. We might have got rejected at 604. So we are seeing a little pullback. Let me pull up the charts here. See what's going on the charts, baby. Let's go to a lower time frame. Ooh, that was an ascending wedge for you. So it looks like it wants to break down. Looks like it wants to break down on this hour. Very, very, very bearish pattern right here. And it looks like it's going to break this pattern. Yeah, Dogelon Mars looking like you want to break this pattern here. Let me see something. Let me see a little something. Definitely looks like it want to break down under this pattern, but it might be a fake out. You know, it might just be somebody selling off. As you see how we bounced off that support there, so we could wick down below, which we've already did. Or we could just bounce off this pattern and head back up and just complete this wedge here. Let's drive fib and see where we stand at the fib. right, so we did get rejected. We did get rejected up here. Let's bring this down. So yeah, we got rejected at 60338. Yeah, we got rejected at 6038. Broke the 236 back to the downside, and right now we're fighting for our life right here at the 382, which is 60351. If we break the 382, next stop is the 0.5, which is 3587. And if we break the 0.5, then we are officially back bearish for this specific move to the upside. So as long as we stay over 6035, then we're still bullish. We'll just have to see. We might tap it, retest it, and head back up, but we got to pay attention to what's going on with the whole market here. So let's go to Bit and see if Bitcoin is actually putting in a similar pattern family. Oh yeah, Bitcoin looks like it's selling off at 24. Got rejected. Rejected here at 24. So you can, it's pretty self-explanatory, man. These crypto projects, they kind of follow the same patterns. They definitely follow the same patterns here. We want to go to the hour. Oh, that's the daily. We still bullish on the daily. Such a chill song. I'm chilling on a Thursday, y'all. Alright, let's see where we at with it. Ooh, nasty wick right here. Yep. Right here at 382. Right there at the 382, which is 23.7. As long as we over 23.5 though, we still bullish. As long as we over 23.5, we still bullish. So I told y'all, I just said it on the stream. This is crazy. We just talked about this, right? We just talked about how the Fear and Greed Index was 60. We just talked about this. We just talked about how the Fear and Greed Index was 60 and how expert traders was going to look to be taking profits. We just talked about this, family. And a little behold, what we're seeing is we're starting to see people take them profits on the hour. You see that? This, man, it's so easy, man. The market is just so, sometimes the market is very, 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 you know, what's that word I'm looking for? You know, when somebody know what you about to do? Predictable. Sometimes the market is extremely predictable, family. Extremely predictable. But we are seeing that on the hour. Alright, 60. That's right. And even with Elon token here, you can see bounced off the 382. We got a wick down, but we bounced off, still strong. Elon token is still strong, and people are buying the dip. So look, if this is a bull market, right, we get these little wick downs, we get these little, you know, moves to the downside. But when you see people buying the dips, that's bullish. That's bullish. Look, that's bullish. You know what I'm saying? That's very bullish. Do I ain't believe that? Facts, we know he's involved. They said Elon is involved. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, that's it. We just have to see, man. We'll just have to see. We'll definitely just have to see. What is your... What? All right. Hold on here. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Subscribe, man. Appreciate the subscribe. I got some family in the background. If y'all hear some people in the background, they turned up over there, man. Alright, we got it out here. I'm gonna get it out here, man. Memecoins says that. My guy's back there going crazy. We keep getting rejected, man, at 24K Bitcoin. What is going on, man? We keep getting rejected. That's the bear argument. They keep rejecting us here. I tell you what, sometime tonight, though, if we still bullish, we should be crossing over 24K and headed to 25K. That's if we still bullish. I gotta check my chart. So yeah, y'all check out the Patreon, man. We about to head on out. My stomach is growling. I'm hungry. I ain't even eat nothing for the day. I'm about to head out. Y'all check out the links. I'm also gonna put a crypto.com link. Matter of fact, before we actually go, I want to check out Crow. Let's check out Crow here. I know we got a lot of Crow people inside the charts. I'm gonna be back. I don't know if I'm gonna do a live. I might do another live because I like to do lives when crypto is actually healthy. More people watch the lives, man. But yeah, we're gonna check out Crow real quick before we go. Crow up 4% on the day, 8 cents. Who got some Crow in the comments, man? Crypto.com. Everything got rejected thanks to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I expect people to buy up these dips. Fear and Greed index is at a 60, family, so you gotta keep that in mind. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all at the end of the day. I'm probably gonna go back live, talk about some more Dogelon Mars, some more Tectonic. You feel me? I'll be back. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, man. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's your boy Soul Guys TV.